Hello. In this video, we are going to create a PowerPoint slide that we're going to use as a reference page for the images that we got for our photo story. So what I have here is a Word document that contains the links of the places I got each of the pictures from that we're using in the photo story presentation. And I'm going to put these on a reference page in PowerPoint. We're going to save it as a picture and then upload it into our photo story. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open PowerPoint. So I'm going to click on the Windows button. Then I'm going to go to All Programs. I'm going to go to Microsoft Office 2013 and PowerPoint 2013. And if you do not have PowerPoint on your laptop or device, you can talk to your instructional media specialist about how, and they can help you download that. So I'm going to do a blank presentation, which is going to open me up to the title slide. But I don't want to use a title slide. I want to use a different slide. So I'm going to right click on the slide and go to Layout. I'm going to choose the title and content page. So here, I can click to add my title, which is going to say Reference Images. And I'm going to say thank you to the following websites for use of their images. I'm going to copy these sites and I'm going to paste them here. And so here I have my reference page, which is very important. Now, a reference page for kindergarten is going to look a lot different than a reference page for middle school. And a middle school reference page is going to look different than a high school reference page. So you want to talk to your instructional media specialist about what is appropriate for the grade level. In this particular case, all I'm doing is citing the websites, which is usually okay for elementary. As you go into middle school and high school, we want to be more specific about how we cite these sources, actually give them a name, add a name to them, thank you to this person or that person. Even though we used Creative Commons, we still need to create a reference page. So now that I have it created, I want to save it as a picture. I need to save it to upload into Photo Story. So I'm going to go click File and then Save As. Now I'm going to find my folder, my Images for Photo Story folder on my computer. So I'm going to go to my computer and it's on my desktop. And on my desktop I have my Images for Photo Story, so I'm going to open that up. My file name, I'm going to say it is a reference page, and I don't want to save it. This is the key. I don't want to save it as a PowerPoint presentation, so I'm going to click this drop down arrow, and I want to save it as a JPEG file. So I'm saving this slide as a JPEG file. So I'm going to click there, and I'm going to click Save. It's going to ask me, which slide do you want to export? And this is, if I have multiple slides, I can export all of them, or I can only export the one that I want. In this case, I only have one slide in the presentation, so it doesn't matter which one that I pick, but I am going to choose just this one. And it will save it. So if I minimize my reference page, and I'm going to minimize my Word document so I can open my folder here. And I see my reference page here as an image. So I'm going to close that, and now I'm going to upload it into my Photo Story project. So I'm going to open my Photo Story 3 for Windows, choose to edit a project, and click Next. I got my first story already brought up here, so now it's added. I'm on the Import and Arrange Your Picture screen, so I'm going to click Import Pictures. And I'm going to go down, I'm going to select my reference page and click OK, and it's going to add it right there, right at the end, which is exactly the way where I want it. And that is how we create a reference page using PowerPoint, save it as an image, and then upload it into PhotoStory. Thank you for watching.